Hey, it's Nina Nevsky, and today I want to show you how to play the song We Fall Down and We Lay Our Crowns. It's such a beautiful song, and the problem with worship songs is that sometimes we tend to just play chords, and it ends up to be kind of just very choppy. And what I want to do here in this video is really show you how to make the song come alive and how to play it beautifully. Again, this is Nina Nevsky, and I love inspiring you guys to just worship at the piano, just because God is so worthy of our praise. So we start this song off with a C chord, and I'm going to be doing this in the key of C because, if you know, you know. Key of C has no black keys. It's super simple. Even if you want to improvise, it's really easy. Because any key works. There's no going wrong with the key of C. I love it. So the first chord is C. We have the C, E, and G keys in the C chord. And then the G chord. Then we have an A minor, F, and then we ended off with a G chord. Again, if you don't know your chords too well, I have a chord chart that I just give away for free. You can print it out, laminate it, whatever you want, but it shows you all the piano chords, which is so great when you're learning songs. So one of the things that I want to add in this song, instead of just playing the key with the left hand, I want to challenge you to play something like a flowy style. Just gonna add this flow to this song. So beautiful. Basically, I'm playing the first, the fifth, and the first of a chord. So that shape. And then with my right hand, I'm just gonna hit on the chords. For the intro though, I'm thinking to play the notes. So something like... crowns, and you go straight into the verse after that introduction. So again, you can improvise any melody. You can just play a C2 suspended like this. Literally just start the song like this. We fall down, we lay our crowns. That's also possible. But if you want to play the melody, definitely go ahead. You can rewind, watch it again. I like to hit the A with the F, and then the G with the E. I think it sounds really pretty. Anyway, moving on to the verse, you're playing the same exact chords. And now you're singing. We lay our crowns at the feet of Jesus. Now, a lot of times I'll hit on the chord with my right hand, and then I'll continue the flowy style. The greatness of His mercy and love at the feet of Jesus, we cry, holy, holy, holy. So moving on to the chords. The chords are F. They kind of switch around. You have an F chord, F, A, C, and then an A minor, A, C, E, and then a G. Now, if you're still wondering what minor and majors are, I do have a course where I go through all the chords and the formula for major and minor chords, which is really simple. Again, that's a F, A minor, and G. And then you finish it off with a C. All right, so I'm gonna go through that chorus. I'm gonna finish the verse. Feet of Jesus, we cry, holy, holy, holy. We cry, holy, holy, holy. We cry, holy, holy, holy is the Lamb. I added a bit of a C suspended too, so instead of just playing the C chord, I'm adding in this D. And then going into verse 2, it's the same as verse 1. You can play it a little harder, that way it'll be louder. So, no more fears, you dried our tears at the feet of Jesus. Grace abounds to all who found the feet of Jesus. We cry, holy, holy, holy. Now you can press on the keys a lot harder to create this louder sound for that second chorus. And that's it. That's basically the entire song. Another secret that I really want to let you in on, and I actually didn't know of this method until recently, and it totally changed the way I play piano. Basically what I do is, since this song is in the key of C, with my right hand, I'm going to be pressing on that C, the fifth, with this, which is the G, and then the C. But instead of playing the C here, I'm actually going to press this G right there. So I'm going to be pressing on G, C, G with my right hand. And for parts in that song where I really want high keys, this is where I'm going to use this method. So, for example, of Jesus, we cry, holy, holy, holy. We cry, holy, holy, holy. We cry, holy, holy, holy is the Lamb. And you kind of ended off with that instrumental. And again, I love this so much because you can keep your right hand in that same exact spot for all the chords and you'll sound good. So that's the beauty of having, knowing the key of the song, is because you can really just keep your right hand in that same spot while you switch chords with your left hand. I hope you enjoyed that little secret. I didn't think it would sound that good to keep the right hand on the G, C, and G, but it sounds so beautiful. All right, guys, if you ever need help with piano ministry or learning piano in general, go to worshippianotutorials.com, where you'll just find a lot of inspiration and guidance. All right, see you in my next tutorial. Bye.